Today we'll be making an origami ibis, a truly horrible bird. So we're going to fold from our top left corner to the bottom right corner. So we're just using a square sheet of paper. If you only have printer paper, have a look at our video on how you can cut this down to size. So with that fold done, we'll open it back up. And next we'll fold from the top right down to the bottom left. Create our crease. Then we'll open it back up. Next, we'll flip our paper over so it's a mountain. And we'll fold from the top down to the bottom edge. And create a crease. And open it up. Then we'll fold from the left to the right, creating a crease and opening it back up once again. So now we have folds at the diagonals as well as vertical and horizontal. We'll now turn our model so it's in a diamond shape, and we're bringing our left corner down to the bottom point, making sure that it doesn't collapse completely, and then we'll bring our right corner also down to the bottom point. Then once they're both there, we'll then flatten our model out and it will collapse. So now if we have a look at the bottom, we can see that it's open and the top is closed. We'll now take just the first layer on the left hand side, and we're bringing the bottom left edge into the center. Then we'll do the same on the right, bringing the edge into the center line. Then we'll flip our model over, and we're repeating the steps. So bottom left edge into the center, and bottom right into the center, and creating a crease. So now we're left with a kite shape, also known as a bird base. We can now open up the two folds, and we'll open up that first flap. Then we'll keep pulling it towards the top, and then we're just inverting these folds. So as we keep opening it, the folds should start coming over. As they do, we can start flattening them out. Sometimes paper does like to be a bit difficult. Then we'll flatten that out. We'll turn it over. We're doing the same on this side as well. So we're opening our two flaps. Open up the area completely. Pull it towards the top. And we're just inverting those folds so they collapse down the other way around. And we'll flatten it out. So down the bottom is open, and at the top it's closed. We'll take our left hand flap. We're folding so this edge here run straight along the middle line, and we'll create a crease. Then we'll do the same on the right hand side, so that this line here joins up with the center, and creating another crease. We'll now lower our left hand leg, we'll open up the left hand side of the model and bring that leg up. And as we bring it back down, pull down with our finger and collapse. So we'll do the same on the right hand side. So lower the leg, open the side, fold the leg up. As we bring it back down, pull it down with our right hand finger, create the crease and flatten it out. We'll fold the first flap over. So we've just got a little triangle flap in the middle, and then we're turning our model over. Turn our model around once more for the next folds, as they're a little bit trickier. So on the right hand side, we're going to be folding this edge into the center line. So as you do this fold, you'll notice that it does catch along this top area here. What we can do is push it on either side with your fingers, and then the top flap will come down over the top. So just press that down. Do the same on the left hand side. So bringing that into the center line, creating a crease. As we do, top's also caught, so we're just folding that over as well. Can get a bit messy. It's not perfect. Don't worry too much. We'll now open up the left hand side flap. And we'll also open up the right hand side. So starting with the left, we're bringing this edge here into the center line and creating a nice crease, and then the bottom edge also into the center line, creating a crease. And then on the right, we're doing the same. So edge into the center crease. Sometimes the paper can get a bit tough, as there are a few layers that we're working with. So take your time. And this edge here also into the center crease. With our left hand side, just going to fold that in half using that existing center line. And we'll do the same on the right. Folding in half. Then take our top tip, folding it down just along the center line. Just joining right in the middle there. Now fold our model in half. So from the left, just over to the right. Just need to invert that fold down the middle. Make sure it's nice and clean. Just pinching along the way to get it nice and straight. So at this point we've got quite a few layers. So we're next folding, so this edge here comes along the center line. So you might need to hold it just with a pinch, as there's several layers we're working with. Press down very firmly. Then we can open that back up. We've then got the hardest fold in the origami project. So we're opening the back up. We'll put our thumb in the center. We're then folding the head area back. So when it's about 90 degrees, we'll then bring these legs back together. As we do, we're pinching it back together. This one can take a bit of time. So we'll do it just once more in case you missed it. So we're pinching in the middle, pushing the head back, bringing this back together, and then pinching it so it's nice and firmly closed. We'll then work on the head of the bird. So we're just folding it down as far as you want. And we'll create a crease. We'll open that back up. We'll open the fold. We're just inverting it. So it comes the other way around. And we'll press it closed again. Now open our bird up again. We're just going to tuck in the bottom. So we're tucking it in just until it comes in line with the legs. Then we can collapse it up again. Now work on the legs of the ibis. So around halfway along, I'm just going to create a fold, pointing the foot straight forward. And we'll open the fold, open the crease, and invert the fold, just tucking it the other way around. I just need to pinch it back together. Then we'll turn it over. We're doing the same on this side. It's about halfway along. Pointing the foot forward, pinching down. We'll open the crease, flip it round, and then pinch it back together. So almost done now. For the final step, we're going to grab hold of the top and we're just bending the beak down, giving it that horrible ibis head. And there you have the ibis bird in origami form, the most horrible bird in the world. Hope that you enjoy. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more videos. Hope that you enjoy.